And then that's when RT's community found me, all those guys. And then magically, after being regular viewers of my channel, they just took off. Miraculously, coincidentally, ironically. Nothing to do with me. Oh! Was I talking while the stock was ripping? Yeah, that's called karma. Karma's a bitch. This thing's starting to fail a little bit. That was a big pop there. I did not see that. I had to go take a leak. Thought I had time. Yeah, this looks dangerous. Frick! I don't know about this one. I'm not butthurt about them leaving me. They were never with me. Okay, we gotta make a trade here. I gotta cut it. Huh. I don't trust this one fully. It's shaky. My question is, how that was a nice rip at the open and I did not catch any of it? Kidding me? This is very choppy. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. It's not really about that. It's about helping people and then them turning into, not all of them, but some of them were quite rude. And it's simply because I didn't want to join their clubhouse. So be careful. If they invite you into the clubhouse and you deny it if you don't accept it. But it's whatever. It's whatever. Because it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. And it's I don't know. I just the brain power it's going to require to trade this stock almost exceeds what I'm willing to do. MYMD. Did that one just pop up or something? Oh my gosh, I knew it. False breakout. Freaking. Oh, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Big seller there. No. You gotta get the dips, bro. Ah, frick. I think I lost all my profit. This thing's this thing's really choppy. I had 200 bucks. I gotta figure out the rhythm of this piece of crap. It's not really any like clear daily levels that I really am enjoying. 386 to 440, that's nice range. Wow, it popped. You see how that popped? It looked good. It looked like I had nailed the entry and then it just rejected. Wow, I kind of lost a lot of money there. I'm going to size down to 27. Things are not looking so good. RVSN. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Had to cut that. Wow, this is actually turning into a red day. Believe it or not. Okay, I gotta pump the brakes. Shoot. I had the I'm not even gonna say it. Pennies, I'm not sure what you're talking about, but that's interesting. Okay, okay. Yeah, RVSN breakthrough that level, I knew it was gonna happen. Huh. I was going to buy that false breakdown, but I don't think it's going to work. RVSN rejected kind of hard. Well, oh, buzz off. I talk about it a little bit and you guys start crying. But you're crying. What's the float on this thing? I'm pretty sure it's good. Gosh, I've lost $600 on lace. That's a pretty nice bounce from 365 to 380. Where did it fill me? 401. I took a $75 loss there. Now I gotta get back to lace. Lace is garbage. Dang, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if MDS sells off. That's just kind of the market we're in. We'll watch it if it starts to get going, but this thing shakes, but it does eventually go. So that's not. Oh, you're singing "Keep Your J Job" trading. Well, thanks, pennies. I'm tone deaf, by the way. I don't know. Gosh darn, I don't know. My back's already against the wall. Yesterday at this time I was up like nearly $4,000. So notice how I'm like I'm red, and look at how I pump the brakes. Are you watching, Mike? Where's Mike? The LA that 2-bar pullback did work well. Yeah, frick. This looks super shaky. You've got to be kidding me. I had to cut that. I got to be over at lace. What am I doing? Lace is great. Ah, shoot. Ah, you stupid thing. The brutal. From 380 up to 390, that's 20 cents. There's money here. Why am I not getting it? I'm gonna go down on size on Lace. I bought kind of high there just to see what would happen. Hey, I got half a penny. Morning, K27. I'm blaming my red day on you guys getting me distracted. I haven't taken a red day in a while. But I'm calling it here. This is great. The last red day I took was a $150 red day on March 25th. Got a little bit of money there. It doesn't seem like much. It's $200. Thinking about getting a bounce on RVSN if it was to give another run. I'm gonna have to start getting creative in this market. Yeah, that's not what I wanted it to do. This thing has flush potential. That's interesting. I gotta get these dips. I should have known better. RVSN, I told you. Son of a... Okay, RVSN. I'm moving over to RVSN. If it's officially sold me on it. Lace is shit. Had to cut it. It was failing. 60 likes already. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Every like counts. What's the daily chart on this? There's just a bunch of big sellers up here. It's what it is, you know. You're right. You're right. You guys are all right. Sellers seem to have a hold of this one. Oh, wow. It's not where I wanted to buy it. I had to cut that. Probably should have held it. There we go. I caught that through high day. Could get a breakout. Could get a breakout here or a flush. We've been seeing a lot of flushes lately. Ah, shit. I don't think I'm getting out of this. Gotta cut it. Dang. I didn't lose too much, I guess. $200. I called it too. I was like, oh, we've been seeing flushes, and then I bought. Ah, shoot. I messed up. I had to take a break even. I should have bought this bottoming tail here, 209 to 224. That was phenomenal. Ah, shoot. I dumped it. This is garbage as well. I didn't realize how many shares I had. I had a lot more shares than I thought I did. BSGM. Okay. Looks halted. What's the float on it? Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I lost it all. This looks like a flush. Oh, maybe not. I dumped it. I don't think I'm going to do any halt resumption trades on BSGM, so I'm going to just wait till that resumes and sets up stuff. We've had a lot of stocks that just pop up and then flush. BSGM's actually giving a nice little push. Ah, that flushed out. Gotta cut that. Ah, this one failed. Oh. Oh, I know what type this one is. I don't know if I want to trade this one. Oh, Zempic?
I saw Ozempic on a commercial. Like, so are people just misusing it to lose weight?
No, they prescribe it to lose weight. I was going to type in Ozempic. Why was I going to type in Ozempic? No. I got to type in BSGM. Halt up 277. We're right there. That's too bad. That one we definitely got to start watching. That one's definitely on the table.
All hail Tina.
All hail King Farmer.
Kings better be making more than that.
I know. I know I should be making more than this, but I suck. All hail the king. Hmm. 2 to 208. That's not a big move. Could go for a bottom dip on LASC, but that might be a little dangerous. That might be a dangerous proposition. This thing's pretty much dead. Yeah. Yeah. That. Well. Haul down is 283. See if it holds and we get a little retracement. I told you I shouldn't have. Damn it. That was a bigger loss. I shouldn't have. That was. I'm triggered now. I am triggered. It doesn't put me red on the day, but that definitely brings thing down. Resumption on BSGM 290. That's pretty good. So we could go for the resumption trade on BSGM. I'm not gonna. I might miss out, but I can't afford the risk. I can't believe I wasted. I gotta take Lace off my screen. Lace gone. Gone. It's off my screen. This might get a 5-minute like break here. Oh, hey. Let's go for maybe a false breakdown setup here. Really? Really? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Good thing I didn't buy. Woo! Close call. Yeah, it might punch through too. Shit. I took way too much size on this. That's slippage for you. That takes me red. I took way too much size there. I took way too much size. I lost 500, 600 bucks. It was looking good in my defense, but frick. That's too bad. That's too bad. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. This one I don't think is that good. I mean, it's good, but I don't know. Probably better than RVSN. This one's gone. I guess I could do this brainless scalping, but that doesn't look like this is the market makers are making it easy on that one. Oh, come on. It may have held there had I not dumped 36,000 shares. It may have held, but I wasn't waiting to find out. That's for sure. I had way too many shares. I think it's going to give another curl up, and I just got to make sure that I'm in on it for it. Let's go to the 15. Let's go to the 5. We got this ascending support. Wonder if we can bounce off of it and get a run. I think this thing's done. Oh, hell. Really? This is garbage. Garbage. Look at that. Garbage. I like the double bottom look on this. I had to dump that for break even. I got some money, but we'll go after trading. Oh wow, then it goes to 38. Would have been extra good bit. Should have held, I guess. These market days, it's just the way it is. You gotta try to make the best of it. Had I held this one, had I held lace, I should have held that because that was a good trade. That was a good trade. The fact that I'm break even this far into the day is kind of indication enough. So these choppy periods, they can last a while. They can last a while, boys. RVSN. I have a bad feeling that this was not the one we're going to want to go big on. But we'll see. Sometimes you get a false breakdown. One E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4 and a... I'm seeing if we can get a dip down to like 196 and seeing if a buyer comes in there and then we reverse back up. Sometimes that happens, and it happens with velocity. Sometimes it flushes out. Today feels a little bit like flush out. Philly Cheese, good to have you back. Woo! I thought you were gone forever. Yeah, I barely trust this one.
Hi, Philly Cheese. Missed you.
Sure enough, this... Yeah, when it stalls like that, that's not good. I told you. Huh. I knew it. I had $1,000 on this. I threw it all down the toilet. I feel it in my gut. This is not one you want to try to go for backside retracements. I might try. As I say that, I might try one more. Wow. Where's the buyers? Yeah, this thing's going down. That is too bad. I had $1,000 on this thing. Oh, a little bit of bottoming tail there. Yeah, there was a little bit and then it went away. It's probably going low of day is where it's going. Ah, dang. That's too bad. Dang it. I should have just taken my money on RVSN. Yeah, Lace is trying. Yes, GM. You better move over to it. Yes. Spreads on this are a little crappy. Maybe not. Oh well. It's just one of those days. Luckily, 3,800 profit yesterday. Hopefully we'll hold this, or I guess 35. How deep the fathers? The puzzle today is not easy. Ah, shit. Shoot. I knew it wasn't gonna work. I don't think anybody's gonna be safe. Sister says it hasn't even been an hour yet, so she thinks there's still time to make some money. I'm like, I don't know if there's gonna be money made today. Kind of feels like money's not gonna be made today. Risk it all. Risk it for the biscuit. Okay, well, if we're gonna make money, we got to be really smart about what we're doing here. That right away doesn't look good. That looks bad. That looks really bad.
matter if you have the fence or not.
What's that?
Because they're not even good for the fence.
Maybe, yeah. Those plants look kind of droopy. Just take them outside. BSGM just died. Maybe we go for a double bottom trade on RVSN. Lace, interesting. I tried to just get a penny. No, I gotta let RVSN go. That's just too bad. Wisdom has told me. Stop me. Wow, this is tough. This is tough. We gotta look at our poll. Let's see what the poll. 50-50. Most people don't eat breakfast. That's 162 votes too. Okay, Lace was interesting when we had that kind of bottoming tail there. It looked like we might get a rip, but we did not. Yeah, I should have kept my 1,000, bro. My 1,100. I'd do anything to go back and get that. Just me, or is today not a super epic trading day? Yeah. No, it's not just you. This is definitely garbage day. Yeah, I think it needs sun. I think it needs sun. Oh my gosh. This market. All you can do is laugh. Death smiles at us all. All we can do is smile back. All we can do is smile back. Could be a dub pattern on this Lace. I'm finally just said Lace is like the last chance. I decided if Lace doesn't work, then ain't nothing gonna work. But Lace looks terrible. MD, I should have been in. Should be in on this. RVSN. It's fighting here at support. It's fighting here. Wow. What a day.
What's happening?
Not much.
Oh,
Not much is happening here.
no.
Oh no is right.
Well, about who watched the game last night?
What game? Oh, the basketball game? We get a false breakdown here and a rip back up. That could be good. We're just got to see how it plays with support. If it tests support and it's just not budging, then we could get a grind back up with big players.
Hey everybody, I'm trading starting May 10th. So tune in for trading with Mr. Fun.
You're starting May 10th? That's the transition to Schwab is May 10th. Yeah, I guess that would be a good time to start. Women. What is the deal with women? No, why is this thing grinding up? I mean, lace is the only option in my mind at this point. Adjust to what? The adjustment to Schwab, it should be the same. If they do it right, it should be the same. Yeah, should be the same. MDIA, sending support. She said she's going back trading May 10th. She said stay tuned. Hopefully the market's not like this when she comes. And maybe it will be a good thing. MD, I'm gonna Come to MDIA. See if we get anything. I sold right into the hidden buyer. I'm assuming he's hidden. If we're going to do this, we got to be smart. Boom, baby, back to green. Ah, shoot. 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 MD, I messed up. Or did I? Yeah, I was thinking about buying it here at 411. It pops up to 420. That's 10 cents. That could have been a good amount of money. That's too bad. It's a tough market, and we got 89 likes. Can we get some likes in for the tough market? I don't know if that makes sense or not, but MD, I messed up. Man, I know the rhythm of that one now. Son of a gun. So I went from red to green. MD is making me pissed. As you can imagine, I was looking for a big position at 412. I was tempted to do it and I didn't. Kidding me? Where does it fill me? 440. I lost $1. This one trade in MD could have taken me green. That's the sad part. Ah, shoot. I'm gonna try to sell on the ask because the bid drops out so quick. MDIA is coming alive here. God dang it, I was wanting to buy it at 412. And I wanted to take a big position. All right, today's shaping up. Today is shaping up. Woo! We're here to make money. We're not here to make friends. I'm not here to make friends. I'm not here to make friends with you guys. I'm here to make money. I'm Scrooge. I'm kidding. I like making friends with you guys. I've got to know a few of you guys pretty well. It's been good. So, this market, you got to be kind of select. You have to be very selective. And the dips within the rips are not really working. We're not getting those breakouts where we can do that quick hyper scalping. That's just not the market we're in anymore. Ah, shoot, flush. Maybe not. I'm gonna sell half there because I'm nervous. Trying to give it time. I gotta bail. That's too bad. I had to bail. That's too bad. I mean, I made $300-400, but I was trying to hold for a bigger rip. This one's pretty good. So that puts me up 1,100 on the day. I was just down like 5, 6, 700. But we got MDIA here, and MDIA's got some life. But although that is kind of a nasty drop there. Oof. Got to be careful with this one. That thing likes to drop. Lionheart, you are exactly right. You are exactly right. Ooh. I got some rubber cement here. If you sniff this, does it get you high? Whoa. I bet you if you sniff that long enough, you're going to feel something. Let's get rid of that. I'd rather just go to the dispensary. MD is going to have another pop. I just don't know where. I had to cut that. Break even. Frick. Could have just taken the money on it. Stupid thing. I gotta cut that. I lost $120. That was a bad trade. It was like one of those trades, which is why I didn't add to it. I didn't take like 30,000 shares. I didn't take 30,000 shares for a reason. So thank you. We're killing it on the likes. 108 likes. Appreciate it. We're good on likes. Good on likes. MD, lost a little more than I wanted to. Oh, I got a really bad fill. Interesting. What? I'm gonna go down on size here. Oh yeah, they're watching. I know they're watching. MD, the Biden administration's watching. That's who. Is this thing about to rip? Sometimes these teleport, these ones. So from red to green. Hopefully not from green to red, but sometimes these just rip through high day when it holds up like that. I usually wouldn't want to take an entry up here, but man, there's selling pressure here a little bit. I remove this. I don't think that does anything. Patience is the name of the game. Uh-oh. Damn it. tried to go for that big trade. Lost 200 bucks there. But I gotta be thankful for it because should I listen to your live stream, or are you going to talk about your girlfriend? That's not a message you want to be getting. I don't know. This thing's like ready to go. I just know it's going to go without me. Okay, I'm not going to trade it until we get a dip. Can you stop? Send. I don't know. I don't want to get chopped up here anymore. His girl and my lady would make a great couple. That's funny. You'll be subscribing May 1st. Okay. Thank you, Christopher. Oh. Okay. Oh. Shoot. 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 That was too shaky. That was too shaky. I had to take that profit. It had to. Oh, it's back up. This thing wants to rip. I feel it. Will it rip? I don't know, but it wants to. It wants to just go. Maybe just take the 1700, call it a day. Go enjoy life for once. I think the new 4Runner is being revealed today. I'm gonna check it out. You guys let me know if I should get it. I missed it. Flush? Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. This is too risky. Oh, I lost a lot of money. I lost 400 bucks. I'm just afraid of missing this breakout. Hmm. What? Hmm. Not delivered. Oh, I see. Try again, Apple Watch. Ah! Woo! Can't believe my hairline's already receding. What age did you guys start receding? The breakthrough high day. I knew it. I was calling. I said this thing wants to break through high day. Why wasn't I just holding a, like a 10 million share position? Nah, it's just too extended. It's the end. It's the end of the world.